You're busy, you're always on the go, and you need a pick-me-up that won't let you down by throwing you a massive crash. You need a drink that is up to the task, a boost that provides enduring energy. And since your body's a fine-tuned, high-performance machine, you need to power it with the highest quality fuel. That's why USANA Health Sciences developed Rev3, a revolutionary new product to meet this need. A cleaner, smarter, stronger alternative to high-sugar, high-caffeine drinks. Rev3 has no artificial flavors, sweeteners, preservatives, or even artificial colors. Unlike other energy drinks with a harsh chemical taste, Rev3 has been created so you can simply experience the all-natural flavor of a cleaner energy. Rev3 Energy is an advanced formula developed by USANA's nutrition experts, based on healthier ingredients that create a smarter kind of energy. L-carnitine is a valuable amino acid that shuttles fat into the cells where it can be turned into energy. Rev3 Energy has 375 milligrams of L-carnitine per can. That's more than Verve, Red Bull, and Rockstar combined. Rev3 Energy contains all-natural caffeine from green and white tea, which are rich in antioxidants, clearly making Rev3 the smarter choice. But don't underestimate Rev3's strength. Using a proprietary energy complex, Rev3 provides a powerful, sustained energy. And instead of being loaded with sugar, the total glycemic impact of Rev3 Energy is 3 to 4 times lower than traditional energy drinks. Lower sugar promotes a more stable energy instead of a crash and burn. With powerful energy-producing ingredients, Rev3 is a stronger source of sustained energy. For added convenience, USANA has also created Rev3 Energy Surge Packs with a unique formula combining green tea, Korean ginseng, and rhodiola rosea. You can mix these convenient stick packs with water for an energy boost with a light tea flavor. The Surge Packs are easy to take on the road and offer yet another alternative to crash and burn energy drinks. Rev3 Energy isn't just a revolutionary product, it's causing a revolution. Top celebrities are used to knowing what's hot first, and they're all about Rev3 Energy. From the vampires of Twilight to the seniors of High School Musical and the celebrities from Dancing with the Stars, everyone's getting revved with Rev3. The buzz of Rev3 Energy even reached Life and Style magazine. But what's truly incredible about the Rev3 Energy revolution is that some of the top supporters are Olympic athletes. The same athletes who wouldn't dare to even touch a regular crash and burn energy drink trust Rev3 Energy with their medal-winning reputations.
I'm really busy. Literally 9 in the morning until 9 at night, whether it's at the track, at the gym, doing a couple hours of sled work, those things require energy. That's where Rev3 comes in. It's predictable, it doesn't have those high peaks and valleys. I'm not gonna get the jitters, I'm not gonna be down in the dumps. I know that when my energy levels are low, Rev3 is right there.
Rev3 Energy. Join the revolution.